Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to watch something very interesting. So make sure you watch it till the end. So we are going to watch about a job seeker visa to Sweden. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, you know that like Germany and Austria, uh, Sweden also offers a job seeker visa, and if it is granted to you, you can come to Sweden and you can stay legally while you look for a job or start a business. And if you are successful in doing that, you can apply for a residence permit. And while that work permit or residence permit, whatever you say, is in progress, you can legally work for the same employer. So it's employer specific, but it allows you to seek a job. So that's really important. Is it and requirements? You have completed studies corresponding to an advanced level degree, plan to seek employment or explore possibilities to starting your business. You should be able to support yourself. You have comprehensive health coverage and passport and other documents, and you are currently located out of Sweden. Basic thing. Now what it constitutes an advanced level degree, they have given information here. You can see, if you meet, you need digital copy of the documents definitely, and you may need to translate some. Valid passport, support yourself. How much money is required, you can see. So you should have this comprehensive health coverage. All right. If you get a job, you can apply for work permit from within the country. That's what I was talking about initially. So from there you can go ahead. Now to apply, click on apply. So if you're out of Sweden, they have asked like e-verification. You can use mobile bank ID, username, password, e-service identification. So if you're out from Sweden and you don't fall under those categories, you will need ID and password. If you already have, you're going to put the credential. If you don't have, you're going to click on create new account and create. So I have, so I'm going to do it. Okay, so now we are here. Are you completing the application for yourself or someone else? So if you go for yourself, then that means you don't have a representative. Number of months the permit is gonna be valid for, so must be 3 months and maximum 9 months. I'll just put 6 months. Okay, start date, I'll just put May 1st. Next, personal data, date of birth, first name, last name, place of birth, sex, marital status, address, postal code, city, country. Okay, so we read the requirement, you got to be out of Sweden. So I'm going to put some sample values here. Next is personal data, telephone number, citizenship, any other citizenship, previous citizenship, language, and what languages you speak. So let's pull up some information. So I added some sample data and I'm going on next. You have valid passport. To get a residence permit, you must have a valid passport. Yes. How will you do that? Do you have access to a valid passport? Yes. Without access, how will you use it? Type of passport, travel document. Now I'm gonna put some sample. Valid country of issue. It can be attached later in the, so I'll attach later. Of course, I'm not gonna go to that stage, but we'll see. Next. Do you have a residence in country other than your home country? I select no, but if you have, provide the details. Are you in Sweden? Do you have a residence for Sweden? You need to put as per your case. Have you previously applied for asylum or come to Sweden to study, work, move to a relative, or visit the country? If yes, and even if it is refused, you need to provide the details. So see that. Do you have any education? Yes. You can add more by clicking. Can I skip it? You cannot. Choose education. University, college, education field. I'm just putting some sample, guys. You need to provide all the details. Let's say you have studied 2 years for masters. Just I'm doing it. So it asking, do you want to add more education? I don't want. If you want, if I play okay, education, attach a later consent for, you can, it can be attached at a later stage. Okay, I'll go for later. Stay in Shenzhen. Have you visited another country in Shenzhen? Select no. But if you have, definitely you should provide. Medical expense insurance. Will you have? Yes, because this was mandatory, right? We read about it. Which insurance company? I will just put Aviva. Start date. So May 1st till we applied for 6 months, right? So I'll put till November end. Attach. Financing. Okay. Yeah, of course financing is required. So add. Sets. Next. Copy of bank statement. Yeah, of course. So in the later stage, so I go for. You have more financing, add that, but I'm just going on next. Future plans upon arrival, and you have to write it very carefully. Don't do this. This is just sample. That's why I'm doing this. If you don't find work or don't have in Sweden, what are you planning to do? Leave Sweden. If you have other plan, provide that information. To which one would like us to send a decision? So it depends on your location. Okay. So let's say if you are in India, let me see what options we'll have. Cairo, Dhaka, New Delhi. Yeah. Next. You want to add any additional information? If you want, add. If you don't want, no. So after I do this and I go to the next stage, it will ask me to upload documents and pay the fee. So I'm not going to do that. And you got it, the idea. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.